That feels good.
Free scalp massage. I've seen so far.
It's not edible. No?
Let me try.
I like my hair. I like my hair. I like my hair. Stop. Please stop. Are you having a good day? Oh. wait a second. Wait a second. We can talk this out. Oh, this is great, but we're back in the climax, bro. Wait, do you want to go to Walmart? No, it's okay. It's okay.
It's not okay.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Dad!
Dad! Dad! I love you. Wait.
This one looks cool.
Oh, they're safety pins. Yeah, that's weird.
Top flight security in the world, Craig.
Get him first. Get him first. Get her! Yeah! What? Shit! Going on him. You cool.
No, I'm not. No. The least
Do those
cool.
piercing hurt?
No, just existing.
Like shit.
Yeah.
They better go.
You know what I'm talking about.
She's gonna come back next weekend though. Next weekend. Come back next weekend.
You guys want some garlic?
Huh?
You want some garlic?
Yeah.
Alright.
What garlic?
Just asking if you wanted some. I didn't say, do I carry garlic on me? That's weird. Come on, man.
Wait, how much you lift?
How much I lift? 2 pounds of garlic a day. Just in the bags, though. In the bag.
What the hell is that? Hey, what are you? Top
A
flight?
problem?
I'm gonna let y'all know.
My problem.
Oh.
No, you didn't. Your ass is scary. Don't yell at somebody.
I have something for you to smell. Would you like to smell it? Sure?
Do they got soft teeth?
Yeah, you got soft teeth. I got soft teeth.
No. What is that?
What is what?
that thing over here? Satan!
You also, look. So I didn't get the claddy thing.
Oh, yeah?
for so
Took you a long time? I didn't even make that up. Somebody that I'm friends with was like, that's your new name. So I was like, all right, I got to print this.